In a landmark ruling for the cryptocurrency industry, a US judge has found that Ripple Labs did not violate federal securities law by selling its XRP token on public exchanges. This is a major victory for Ripple and its supporters, who have argued that XRP is not a security and should not be subject to the same regulatory scrutiny as stocks and bonds. The SEC had alleged that Ripple's sales of XRP to institutional investors constituted an unregistered securities offering. However, Judge Torres found that the SEC had failed to prove that XRP was an investment contract, the legal definition of a security. The judge also found that Ripple's marketing of XRP did not make any promises about the future price of the token, which is another key factor in determining whether a digital asset is a security. The ruling could also have implications for other cryptocurrency companies that are facing similar lawsuits from the SEC. The price of the XRP surged by more than 100% in the wake of the ruling, reaching a high of 0.94 cents per token. That was it for today. Subscribe to the channel for more useful and informative crypto videos. Till then, peace out.